In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset website in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to wipe your GoDaddy site back to a clean slate, using the built-in tools safely and confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy. Look for the official GoDaddy website in the results and click through. When the page loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account that actually owns the site you plan to reset. If you have extra security enabled, complete that step as well. Once you're in, move to the top right of the page and click your username to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This is the dashboard where all your domains, hosting, and websites live. Take a moment here to identify the exact site you want to work on so you don't reset the wrong project. Find the website you want to reset and click it to open the website editor. Inside the editor, locate the Settings option and click it. This is where GoDaddy keeps many of the site-level controls. In the Settings area, look for Site History and open it. Site history is important. It's where GoDaddy stores restore points, and it's also where the Reset option lives. Now, click Reset Website. Before you confirm, understand what this does. It removes your current site's content and design and takes you back to a fresh starting point in the editor. It does not delete your domain, account, or subscriptions, but it will clear pages, text, images, and custom styling. If there's anything you might want later, this is the moment to quickly copy text, download key images, or note important settings. If you've been experimenting and want to fully start over, you're in the right place. To proceed, click Yes, Start Over. The reset will run for a short moment. Don't close your browser while this is happening. When it finishes, you'll be returned to a clean version of your site in the editor, ready for a fresh build. If you ever realize you needed something you cleared, check Site History for available restore points you can use later. That's it. Fast, precise, and built right into GoDaddy. You went from signing in, to My Products, into your site's editor, through Settings, into Site History, and then confirmed Reset Website with Yes, Start Over. Follow these same clicks anytime you need a complete do-over. Thanks for watching, and happy rebuilding.